Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set videos to private on your Oppo phone. So to do this, you just need to go to My Files, and after that go to Videos. Find your videos, go to them, and for example I will set this video to private, the first one. You just need to long press on it until it's checked. If you want to check other videos you can, or you can check it alone, and after that click on the three dots on the bottom of the screen on more, and as you can see there is an option that appeared, and this option is called set as private. You just need to click on it, and as you can see, added to private safe. So your video now is added to private safe, and no one can access to it unless he have access to your private safe. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.